Destiny with another video, and today I'm bringing you a different video. Today's video is about suggestions for teachers' gift for Christmas or the end of the year, and following for some time. Right now, you know I'm a teacher, so you know I teach, and who's better than a teacher itself to tell you what we really like to get for gifts. Even though, don't get me wrong, we appreciate every gift that we get, but there's some of the gifts that we really don't need, don't want, or probably don't use. And this is what this video is about. I'm gonna tell you 5 items that you can find, and they're not that expensive. Also, this video is a collaboration with a bunch of beautiful mommies and ladies on here on YouTube, and the person organizing this is Cruelest Mama D. She's a great person, very funny, love her channel. I'm so glad that I found her channel, and I'm in love with everything she does. I'm gonna put her channel down below, and I'm also gonna put the playlist down below for all the videos that you can see with all these ladies who combine to bring you content. Without further ado, let's begin this video. Start finding a gift for your kids, teachers this year for Christmas. Christmas is approaching. The first gift that I am gonna recommend for any type of teacher that you need to get a gift is this, guys. Gift card. This is what we like. This is what teachers use. And the number one, it will be Amazon card. You know, it could be a $20 Amazon card. I'm pretty sure any teacher would gladly use it. The second one on my list will be Target. I don't have a Target one to use, but Target. All teachers love Target too. We love to go into the dollar spot and finding cute things to reward our kids and all of that. The third one would be Starbucks. I don't know any teacher, I mean, unless you don't like coffee, but they have coffee, tea, and all of that. I live by this. I live by this. Guys, I spend $50 every week on Starbucks. I'm sorry. I'm guilty. But no teacher will regret getting this. 3 gift cards. Again, Amazon, Target, and Starbucks. Those are the 3. And maybe Dunkin' Donut if they like Dunkin' Donut. I don't like Dunkin' Donut personally, but yeah, those are the gift cards. But this is the best gift, so that's number 1. If you have to buy physical gifts, look what I found. Socks. Look what it says. See what it says? Live, love, teach. This is $1. So this is all I got. I love teaching. Look how cute. $1 in Target. Number Teacher Live. You see? So pretty short. And this is all the pencils. And this one is the apple. We represent every teacher out there. If you do need to get any gift, socks, cute ones though, cute socks. They make great gift, and any teacher uses that, and any teacher appreciate that. You know, this is really good. That's number 2. Number 3 would be a laminate, a portable laminate. And if you can see this right here, it's only $33. They have the link down below. Also, every teacher we always laminating stuff for our students, for our own self, and some of the teachers don't have this, so this is also a really good one. Laminator would really make a good gift. And there's a bunch of different ones, but particular I like this one myself, and it's really good. I had it for 3 years already, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna put the link down below for everything that physical that I show you guys and all of that. Number 4 would be any type of classroom supply. Guys, notebooks, glue, pencils, pens. If you could get like a little bundle together, spend probably like $10-15 at the dollar store and put it really cute in a basket. Every day with no pencil. Kid that we have to give them a notebook. A kid that we have to loose leaf paper. I'm pretty sure we really appreciate it, because we use it every single cleaning products like Clorox. Those Clorox with this also. So every single day I use them twice a day. So in the morning, before I start teaching, I clean all the desk, and then in the afternoon we clean all classroom supply and cleaning supply for the classroom. That will make an excellent gift. And guys, the number 5 gift that I have, and it's probably one that we actually would really appreciate the most, would be volunteering. And we probably say, but how is that a gift for a teacher? You don't know how happy I get every time I have one of my parents come into my classroom, either reading to the kids, either participating, just being there, just helping in the lunchroom, just helping out, just telling me I'm present, I'm here if you need me, and this is the teamwork. Being a volunteer at your kids' classroom is the best gift you can give a teacher, and you can do it like that. You can write a card. My kids, I write a card and I say, my present for you today for Christmas will be that I will volunteer 1 time a month for you for 3 months. Then that's number 5. And that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you like this video. I hope it's not too long. I hope I didn't ramble in a lot. And I'm sorry I got everything together, but yeah. But remember, number 1, Amazon card. Number 2, cute socks. Let's pad in Target. That's 2. 3 will be personal laminator. Number 4 will be cleaning of classroom supply. And number 5, volunteer your time. That's the most valuable gift that I will get from any person, is to volunteer in my classroom. I will be the happiest teacher in life if I could get that every single day. That's it. These are all the gifts that I have for you. I hope you like this video, enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you like this type of video. And don't forget, subscribe to Clueless Mama D. I'm going to put her channel down below. I'm also going to play the playlist with all the ladies' videos so you guys can enjoy all of them. Because we don't all have the same video. We all live in different places. Isn't it fun to have ideas from everyone and all around the world? Yes. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share my videos too. Let's have happy holidays are coming, and I can't wait for Blockman's days. So until next time, goodbye.